On this episode of Chronicles of Key, you will see our day 3 in New Orleans for the Essence Festival. You will see us at the convention center enjoying ourselves with all the activities, us being at a Keisha Cole concert, the day party and activities we did after that. Stay tuned.
I'm in airplane mode, I don't need no drama. Everybody know I ain't about that drama, oh yeah. Oh, look at what I started. I'ma tell you right now, I plan on chillin' so hard right now.
Hey y'all, hey. So this was day 3 of us being in New Orleans. As you can see outside, it was a little muggy. But I decided I was going to make the best of it with my hair and all this stuff. So we got dressed and we decided, well, let's go ahead and start the festivities. So we poured up. Shot o'clock. We getting fucked up today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We went to bed last night. We getting fucked up today. I'm Care Bear. So I never got to show y'all how the outside of the hotel looked. This was the Lowe's Hotel on Padra Street, however you say that. And this is how it looked from the street view. Hey y'all, hey, so we back in Mother's because it's quick, fast, and it tastes good. But we trying something different today, so let's see how it goes. So Carrie had the egg omelet with the crawfish etouffee and cheese grits, and then I just had the cheese grits, some eggs made over easy, and some sausage. We were trying to keep it simple so we can get to the convention center. We were trying to get there early to be in those lines. Hey y'all, hey, so it's day 2. We made it to the Essence Festival. Boy, they ain't let nobody in now. Right, you saw these people had to get all this free stuff. Okay. Hey, Carrie, hot. She ready to go inside. So basically the convention center opens up at 9, but they didn't let you into the area until 9:30. So they finally let us in. It was a crowd. And Carrie did the dash because she was trying to get in them lines.
Y'all carried it, left it.
So the first time we went to was L'Oreal because their bag was lit. So we got another one. We got one for Carrie Mom. They was cutting up in their line. So we came over to the Afro Punk area where everybody was just vibing and listening to some good music. They got some for the men, y'all. So the Essence Festival does have an area for the men. This was a suede men's experience. Carrie had got her some little sweet nuts, and then we headed over to the Target line. They had some cute little quotes in there, you know, empowering quotes, and then it was time. So we waited an hour and a half for this line, y'all. And all it was a little bag with some products, and then they had like a walkway where you could stretch yourself there in the runway. So it don't care because Carrie finna kill it, you know what I'm saying? I should have watched her do hers first and then did mine. But yeah, Carrie about to kill this.
Tickets to go to the Essence Festival tonight. To see Usher. Raise your hands. Let me see. We're keeping it moving, baby. Okay. Beautiful denim outfit. Love this vibe, sis. It's so beautiful on you.
So this is what the video ended up coming out. I tried my best, y'all. Y'all know I can't walk. Shit, my legs just rubbing together. But I tried to pose. But yeah, it was real cute though.
It's so nice.
Y'all thought this art was so cute. But this lady was selling those paints about $10,000 a pop. So we headed on back outside trying to catch Judy and Kaleidoscope. just this kaleidoscope too, but I need this in that bag. But it ain't looking too good for it. It's 2 o'clock. It's hot. The Keisha Cole concert started at 3. Y'all, look at my motherfucking hair. This is really girl, go with your big ass pepper. That's really easy. Yeah, motherfucker said, look, check me out. Shot a cloud. I can do the pole in this bitch. All right, y'all. Look at this girl. Oh, y'all know y'all mad. So we basically sat outside for 2 hours waiting on Kaleidoscope, did not see her, and then we went back inside because the Keisha Cole's concert was getting ready to start. So we went in there for that. Y'all, we made it back to the room. See your room service. Carrie about to eat her po' boy. Security is gone. Camilla is gone. I gotta pee. So we had got us some po' boys from the little stand that was outside the convention center, and then we changed clothes to get dressed because we was headed out to hang out this day. We weren't going to sleep this day. So yeah, I got day party ready. Wow. Yeah, we was waiting on our Uber and Carrie was ready to go. Look at her. Carrie ready to go over there. So our lift finally came and we went over to this day party. It was at a place called Hide and Sneak or something like that. And yeah, that shit was lit. I ain't even gonna lie. We had us a time in here. I had to make me some friends. Yeah, they definitely put crack in our Long Islands because we was having a time. So this was Toya. Toya ain't do nothing but sit there and take some shots. No more. We headed back to the hotel. This is me showing y'all the foyer. Let me tell y'all something about this. Alice, where you came from? Is that you? Where you came from? After the day party, we headed back because we had us a new guest one time. Alex in the house there. Hey! Big time. Yeah, I see. Girl, I don't know how we got here. Oh my goodness. Hey y'all, hey, so we in the motherfucking apartment. Alice will pull up on us. What's that?
Yeah. And she's trying to hear us, trying to, you know.
They wasn't even listening.
Board on her shots. Here.
Where's
it's
my
here.
shot?
It's here. It's here.
That's not even
New
lying.
Orleans, baby.
They're lying.
Baby.
Big liars.
Big liars.
So let's drink
not
it.
me. I'm not a
Cheers.
I'm a truth teller. Period.
Oh, that was too easy. Suckers.
What?
Okay, this is weird. Fucked up.
It's not. It looks good.
It's in the dark. If you see this thing in the light, I'm telling you, it is not right. If you see this thing in the light, baby, look, baby.
Alex, we can't see none of that.
Baby. Baby, they don't care about none of that around here. Ooh, 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 woo, 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 woo. Wait, no, you Alex?
What? What we doing? A shot?
You know what's going on. So we was lit, as you can see, and I don't know how, but we ended up at some bowling alley club, and we was even litter, and it just went on and went on. Look at Carrie cutting up. Yeah, some type of way they convinced me to go to Bourbon Street with them, and I was so pissed off. I was tired. They had us walk them out of the house so we could find Glenn. Who act like she don't know where she was.
She look mad.
I was aggravated.
Be mad at yourself.
I was aggravated.
You know you gotta grease them thighs.
That's not even a problem. I didn't want to come down here at all.
Why?
This shit be stink. Like I don't find it innocent.
Come on, let's cheer up. Come on. Cheer her up.
Butt size hurt.
Cheer her up. Get her a shot. Have a good time. Get her a shot or something.
High glycerin.
Anyways, they got me out here in this fake ass
She
street.
need a shot.
In this fake ass street. This is what she wanted to do. It's her birthday, so we here.
Who's birthday?
Carrie.
People on the court. She need a shot. Save your battery.
I don't need no shot down here. I gotta stay awake.
Come on, let's hit the Bourbon Street.
Gotta be shit be active down here. But we on Bourbon Street. Hey. Alex out here with Glenn with 2 ends.
Kiara didn't want to come, but we on.
I sure didn't. This shit be stink. I don't have the patience. I don't have the patience. Carrie be having us about to get stabbed. I don't have the patience. Not tonight. So we went to the courtyard, but it was not lit, so we left. And then we headed over to Glenn's favorite spot, which is Razzoo.
Okay, bye.
name that be registered. They based on me, I watch. I lean with these niggas like another line of white. Yeah, it's all out on me and I'ma set it up. Hey, in the road, they won't win, I'ma get them dropped. Take king music and I won't pass the ox. Hey, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Hey, everywhere in the line, here 69 yard. Hey, 50 ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Hey, throw their ass up like a fresh pack of top. Hey, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Hey, they not like us, they not like us, they not like us.
Yeah, so after we was in Razzoo for an hour and a half, then we headed over to some other spot. I don't even know what the name of this spot was. I asked the bartender, they didn't even know the name of the spot. Anyways, it was a whole lot of going on in here. They was in here about to fight. The girl that pulled a knife out on stage. I'd have told Carrie I ain't want to come down here on Bourbon Street. But anyways, Miss Mamas was throwing that thing. You hear me? But she couldn't get on stage. Her boyfriend wasn't having that. But yeah, so this was the end of our night 3. We got home probably like 4 a.m. So yeah, stay tuned for day 4, you guys. Oh, thanks for watching, you guys. Heart. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Bye for now.